Are you ready to kickstart your tech career, boost your earning potential, and land a job in programming, data science, or AI? Learning Python is one of the best ways to get there, and guess what? You can do it for free. Welcome to Business Training Media's Professional Development Series. In today's video, we're diving into the best free Python certificate courses that will help you build real-world skills, earn industry-recognized certifications, and open doors to amazing career opportunities. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your expertise, these courses are designed to set you on the path to success. Python is one of the most in-demand programming languages today, powering careers in software development, data science, AI, automation, and cybersecurity. Employers are looking for candidates with proven Python skills, and earning a certification can give you that competitive edge. Plus, Python professionals can earn an average salary of $100,000 or more, depending on their expertise. These courses are perfect for anyone looking to break into tech, whether you're a complete beginner wanting to learn Python from scratch, a career changer seeking high-paying job opportunities, a developer or IT professional looking to upskill, or an entrepreneur and freelancer aiming to automate tasks and build projects. With that said, let's review our list of the best free Python certificate courses available online. First up, Python for Everybody, by the University of Michigan. This is one of the most popular beginner-friendly Python courses available. Offered by the University of Michigan, it takes you from zero to coding confidently with Python. You'll learn programming basics, working with data, web scraping, and even using databases. Plus, you'll complete hands-on projects that prepare you for real-world applications. If you're starting from scratch, this is the perfect course to begin your journey. Next, Crash Course on Python by Google. Want to learn Python fast? This Google-backed course is designed to teach you the fundamentals of Python in an engaging and interactive way. You'll cover essential concepts like loops, conditionals, functions, and error handling. The best part? You'll apply what you learn through hands-on exercises and real-world coding scenarios, making it an excellent choice for aspiring software engineers and data analysts. Up next, Python for Data Science, AI and Development by IBM. If you're interested in data science and AI, this free course by IBM is a must. It focuses on Python's applications in analyzing and visualizing data, working with pandas and NumPy, and using Jupyter notebooks for data science workflows. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation in Python for AI and machine learning, plus a certificate to showcase your skills. For those looking to specialize in automation, Meta's programming in Python is a great pick. This course is part of Meta's certification program and teaches you how to write Python scripts to automate repetitive tasks. You'll gain hands-on experience working with APIs, file handling, and debugging techniques. If you're looking to use Python for automation, IT, or cybersecurity, this course is highly recommended. Next, Machine Learning with Python by IBM. Machine learning is transforming industries, and this course gives you a strong introduction to Python's machine learning capabilities. You'll explore supervised and unsupervised learning techniques, work with scikit-learn, and develop models to analyze real-world data. If AI and data science excite you, this course will help you get started in machine learning. Lastly, Introduction to Programming with Python and Java by the University of Pennsylvania. This course takes a unique approach by teaching Python alongside Java, helping you understand programming concepts across different languages. You'll cover data structures, object-oriented programming, and problem-solving techniques. If you're considering software development, this comparative learning method is a great way to strengthen your coding foundation. If you're ready to take your career to the next level, increase your earning potential, or land your dream job, we've included a link in the description to enroll in these and other top Python courses. You'll also find free articles, a career hub, and other resources to help you start your learning journey. Click the links to get started today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our channel. For more online courses and free resources, visit businesstrainingmedia.com. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your Python journey.